If you want to upload a game on itch.io, whether it's your first game or you're getting ready to publish something new, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the whole process in a simple and safe way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a new project, upload your game files, set the price, fill in all the important details, and publish your game on itch.io. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and game publishing guides. Let's jump in. First, go to itch.io and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first, but once you're signed in, you'll be ready to create your game page. After logging in, look at the top of the screen and click on Dashboard. This is where you manage all of your projects, uploads, and game settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, find the option that says Create New Project and click it. This is the starting point for uploading your game to itch.io. Now you'll be taken to the New Project Setup page. Here, enter your game title carefully because this is the name players will see on your game page. After that, fill in the details for your game. This usually includes your game description, genre, development status, and any other information that helps people understand what your game is about. Try to make the description clear and engaging because good details can help people trust your project and want to download it. Next, upload your game file. Depending on your game, this may be a zip file, a browser build, or another supported format. Make sure the file is properly packaged before uploading so players can access it without problems. If your game is a downloadable build, double-check that everything is included inside the file before you continue. If it's a web-based game, make sure the folder structure is correct and ready for itch.io's upload system. After the file is uploaded, you'll need to set the price or choose to make the game free. This is an important step because itch.io gives you flexibility. You can sell your game for a fixed amount, allow players to pay what they want, or make it completely free. Choose the option that matches your release plan. If you're just starting out, making the game free can be a great way to get more players and feedback. Now continue filling in all the remaining details. This may include the cover image, screenshots, tags, system requirements, and any other settings shown on the page. The more complete your project page is, the better it will look to visitors. A polished page can make a big difference when someone is deciding whether to try your game. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Save and then publish the game. Before publishing, take one final look at the title, description, file upload, and price settings to make sure nothing is missing. After that, go ahead and publish. Your game will then be live on itch.io and ready for players to discover. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload a game in itch.io from start to finish. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is, and with a little practice, you'll be able to publish new projects much faster. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.